Hello, you know what channel it is. Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. Welcome back. So today I have another wig review for you. I'm excited to review it. It is from the Made Beauty line. It is a half up, half down wig. And reading off the stock card, the unit's name is Sweetie. And we're gonna learn more about her. So if you are interested, you know what to do. I'll be back in a second. So I've taken her out of the pack and I left the actual bun. It comes with the bun already in the wig. So I am going to finish taking the net off. This is the length. And we'll have her on in a second. Oh, I'm excited, guys. Let's get into the specifications for this particular wig. It is a lace front wig. According to the stock card, it does come pre-plucked. It does have a few baby hairs around the perimeter of the wig. Let's turn her inside out very quickly. And we can see that it does have that adjustable band, a comb in the back, and then there are two combs in the front of the wig. Now, I do want to show you this because this is the circular, on the stock card, it says the circular lace part so that you can wear it half up, half down as well. And here is your bun in the back that came already in an updo for you. And again, this is what she looks like with the beautiful curls. The color that I am going to be reviewing today is B04340. We're almost there. I'll be back in a second. Here is Sweetie after we've placed her on, cut the lace off. And I know I've said in the past that I don't like baby hairs, but with this particular wig, I found that the high definition lace on this particular wig was a little too light for me. And so I did have to kind of pull out the baby hairs a little bit, but here we are rocking Sweetie. Again, this is Made Beauty wig, and it's the half up, half down. You can glue this particular wig down if you would like. She can hold up to 400 degrees worth of heat. Let's go ahead and do a side to side view, and hopefully you'll be able to see the back of the wig as well. I do like the wig, although I'm finding that I'm in love with the shorter styles now. But I did want to incorporate some long length wigs because I do have viewers that do like the longer lengths as well. So I'm hoping that including this meets the need for everyone who has subscribed to the channel, and I thank you so very much. I've provided the specifications for this particular wig. Everything will be listed in the description box for you. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll be back with another wig really soon. Take care of each other and definitely yourself.